Taking a peek at the key fob for the Envista. So you've got the unlock button, trunk release, the lock button, remote start, corner panic alarm, and then there's also the release for the emergency access key along the very back. So if you ever need to get inside the vehicle because the fob's died, it's a little bit tricky to do, but not impossible. So if you look, see you've got your little keyhole there. So you actually have to get in behind here, push this cover off, which is going to let you then insert the key in order to get inside if the fob's ever died. So not too tricky to do, not impossible at the same time. Now, if you wanted to be able to remote start the vehicle, it's straightforward. So you just make sure that the vehicle's locked first, and then you do a press and hold of that circle button in order to be able to remote start. And then you just do a press and hold of the button again in order to cancel the remote start. One nice thing about the Envista though, is that it's also got a walk away lock feature. So let's say you shut the door and walk away. It's automatically gonna lock for you, which is great. So that's even if you started the car up, if you just unlock the door accidentally, whatever the case may be, eventually the door will automatically lock, which I think is a great safety setting.